it's me, Courtney Crosbie, and today we're going to be talking about Chrome. Now, love it or hate it, Chrome isn't going anywhere. In the beginning, I didn't really like it. Now I seem to have gathered quite a collection of them. Today we're going to be talking about this one here, and this is a rose gold chrome from BangGood. Now they sent this to me for review, so in typical chrome addict fashion, I'm going to swatch it over all of these colors. So we're going to start with red and go down every single pink that I have, and I thought we'd give it a shot over purple and then white and black because that's obviously something that we need to try. So all of these nails I painted with gel polish. I did 2 layers and then I did 1 layer of top coat. I used a non-wipe top coat from Mig Nails and Beauty. I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. It's a 9-watt lamp. With chrome, you kind of have to play around with your top coat and your timing to see what cure time works best for you. I have other top coats that can only be cured for 15 seconds or else the chrome powder doesn't stick. But this one works really well at 30 seconds in a 9-watt LED lamp. So the chrome powder came in a little tub like this. It wasn't full to the top, but it is very full. You don't want your chrome powders to be full to the top, obviously, because when you open them, then they get everywhere, and you can see already I haven't even touched it and it's on my fingers. So it came with these 2 little applicators, and it came in a really good quality Ziploc bag that I had to use scissors to get open, so it's not going to spill on its way to you, which is very, very good. So let's just jump in and see what happens when we put it over these different colors. So this is Red Riding Hood from Essential Nails. It's got 2 coats of color and 1 coat of top coat. When you apply your top coat before you're chroming, you want to tilt your nail in every direction and get that little bit of light to shine on it and make sure there's no imperfections in your top coat at all, because they will show up 100 times more when you put the chrome powder on. So I'm gonna get a little bit on my applicator pad here, and I'm gonna start rubbing it in. So another thing I've realized when you're using chrome, if you start at the top and then you only use as much as what's on your pad and you go the whole way to the bottom, by the time you get to the bottom, if it's a longer nail, you're not going to have as much chrome powder on your brush, so you might get less of an application down at the bottom. So I like to start at the top, start at the bottom, and then go back in the middle and make sure that I've covered it all. So you want to rub it in. And you can flip your applicator pad over and just wipe it off. Oh my god, I love it. How pretty is that? So I'm just going to use this little brush. I'm going to dust it off screen because I don't want chrome powder all over the place. And that's what it looks like over red. So I'm just going to put that there, and then I'll go and do every other color. Wow, that is cool. It's almost purple. Kind of. I really like it. So that is the chrome powder that I got from BangGood. It wasn't very expensive at all. I don't remember exactly how much, but I'll have a look before I post this video and I'll put the price down here. These are all of the ones that we did. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite from left to right. If I had to pick a favorite, oh gosh, I don't know, it might be this one. It's really nice over red as well, but the black just looks too cool. And even over purple, I wouldn't have thought that rose gold chrome over purple would look really nice. Anyways, just a quick one for today. I'm going to do a few sets of nails with these tips. Maybe I'll do them on my YouTube if it's something quite fun that I think you might enjoy. I'll do a video for it. So thanks for watching. Go and check out banggood.com. There's lots of nail stuff on their website. If you go on their website and you don't seem to find too many nail things, download the app, because I found that on the app there was a lot more variety of things for nail techs. So go and check it out. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next time.